Celery juice is everywhere these days. From social media to health food stores, it's become the latest health craze. People are raving about its incredible benefits, calling it a miracle drink. But is celery juice all it's cracked up to be? Celery itself has been around for centuries. It's been used in salads, soups, and as a crunchy snack. But juicing celery is a relatively new trend. Why the sudden obsession with celery juice? Many people believe that juicing celery unlocks its true healing potential. They claim it can improve digestion, boost energy levels, and even clear up skin problems. Let's dive deeper into the world of celery juice and explore its potential health benefits. Don't let its pale green color fool you. Celery juice is packed with nutrients. It's a good source of vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function properly. Celery juice is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting. It also contains folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. Additionally, celery juice provides a good amount of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. It also contains smaller amounts of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and calcium. While celery juice isn't a miracle cure, its impressive nutrient profile makes it a healthy addition to any diet. One of the most touted benefits of celery juice is its ability to improve digestion. Celery juice contains natural enzymes that can help break down food, making it easier for our bodies to absorb nutrients. The fiber in celery juice also supports healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to our stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Moreover, celery juice is incredibly hydrating. Celery itself is made up of mostly water, so drinking celery juice is a great way to increase your daily fluid intake. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. It helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, and flushes out waste products. Ready to jump on the celery juice bandwagon? It's surprisingly easy to incorporate this green elixir into your daily routine. The best way to enjoy celery juice is to drink it on an empty stomach. Try having 16 ounces of fresh celery juice first thing in the morning, about 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. You can easily make celery juice at home using a juicer. Simply wash and chop a bunch of celery and run it through your juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender and then strain the juice through a cheesecloth. If you're new to celery juice, start with a smaller amount and gradually increase your intake. Some people experience a detoxifying effect when they first start drinking celery juice, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Remember, while celery juice can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet, it's not a magic bullet. It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes.